Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the channel where timeless classics come alive and the stories of vintage automobiles are retold in style. Today we are diving into the charm and legacy of a true motoring icon, a car that defined elegance and practicality in its era, the beautiful light blue classic sedan from the 1940s. This car is more than just a machine. It is a rolling piece of history, a symbol of craftsmanship, and a reminder of how automobile design evolved in the golden years. When you look at the front of this car, the first thing that captures your attention is the tall vertical chrome grille. It gives the vehicle a proud and dignified face, almost like a statement of confidence from a time when cars were not just built to move people but to leave a lasting impression on the road. The round headlights mounted on the fenders add to the character, projecting a friendly yet commanding presence. Every curve on the hood flows smoothly, giving it a streamlined appeal that was ahead of its time. From the side, the story becomes even more fascinating. The car's long and rounded fenders, the clean body lines, and the elegant steel wheels with chrome hubcaps tell you everything about the design language of the 1940s. Back then, simplicity and function walked hand in hand with style. The chrome door handles and the small details across the body show that even the tiniest features were crafted with attention and care. It's the kind of car that looks equally good parked in a museum or rolling slowly down a quiet boulevard on a sunny afternoon. The rear view reveals another dimension of charm. The rounded trunk, small taillights, and chrome bumper reflect the modest yet stylish design of its era. This was not a time for flashy spoilers or aggressive cuts. Instead, it was about balance, elegance, and reliability. A car like this was built to last and to serve families for decades, and many of them indeed became beloved companions across generations. Stepping inside, the atmosphere is pure nostalgia. The simple dashboard with analog gauges, the large steering wheel, and the straightforward arrangement of controls remind us of a time when driving was all about connection between the driver and the road. No complicated electronics, no distractions, just you, the car, and the journey ahead. It is this purity that makes vintage cars like this one so appealing to enthusiasts today. Performance may not match modern machines, but what it offered was reliability, smooth rides, and an unforgettable driving experience. Powered by a small but hard-working engine, this car was not built for speed but for steady travel, comfort, and style. It carried families, friends, and countless memories through the years, and every surviving example today tells a story of endurance and legacy. Here at Old Studio Car, we celebrate classics like this because they are living art. This beautiful blue sedan from the 1940s is not just a vehicle, it is a witness to history, a design masterpiece, and a treasure for every car lover. Stay tuned for more stories, more classics, and more journeys into the golden age of automobiles.